Hello friends, myself Harish. Welcome in my video series on Python Tkintre. So in last video we have seen the widget as a label and entry. Now in this we'll see button. So in last video I created this folder. So in this folder I'll just save all my programs. So now I'll just open one text editor. And also I'll just open one terminal here, and I'll just take one simple example in this. So from Tkintre import, I'll create one object of this tk. I'll give title to my GUI string. So my button program, again I'll just fix up the size, geometry. Suppose this is 350 by 250 and win dot loop. So this is the template. I'll save it in this folder. Button.py. Now I'll just create first two labels here. Label, I suppose label when, and that name will be, suppose a text will be name, and I'll just grid here. Here also we can write this row 0 column 0, right? So I'll just make second label. I'll just copy this for the simplicity, and consider this as a label 1, this as a label 2. So these two are the labels. Suppose I'll just take this as a first name and this is last name. And also I'll just take one text box. So entry when, and again I'll just use that grid. So this is row 0 and column 1. I'll just again copy this, paste it. This is text box 1, text box 2, this is row 1. I'll just save it. I'll just try to run it. Sorry, I just run this other program. Sorry, this is not capital, this is I think small. Oh sorry, here that single quote I forgot. So this single quote, and now run this. Oh sorry, what happened here? This has been row 1. Again I'll just run it. Now see, this is the label, and I'll just now use the button here. So bt, suppose button, or button, then the object, the name of the button, suppose submit, and also grid here. So this is row 2 column 1. I'll save it and I'll try to run this. You can see this as a button. So I can type something and click on this button. So this is the very simple example to display that button widget on the GUI window. So if you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.